Tuesday. So first things first, I'm using the computer this time to record. And I only have 5 minutes, so I'm going to try to make this video fast, but this is part 2 of how to finish the wreath. So step 1, I'm going to go out and get the fancy greens that I'm going to put on top of the base that I made yesterday, and also grab the base. And I'll be back. Okay, so I just went outside and got the pieces from the room. I'll show you. Here's my bucket. I got some spruce, definitely some holly berries. I'll show you what I'm making. This like golden, I don't know what it is. Golden. It's beautiful. Some hemlock, some pine, and yeah, some other things I don't really know the names of. Juniper. Okay, so here's the wreath that was outside. It's pretty good. Sometimes you have to step away from something and then come back to it to appreciate it. So the break was good. Anyway, so we're gonna get this guy's kind of cool looking. So yeah, I just kind of like pick out whatever I think will look good, see if it looks good. And one of my rules is the rule of 3. So, or that's like a basic wreath and or like flower planting or flower arranging. Or not just flower, like any kind of plant. Anyway, planting it threes. So I'm going to cut this into 3 different pieces. Okay, so once you have, I've just been like stuffing them in here. Put one here, and I'm going to put one here. Kind of jam it in, pull it through. Looks good. And then tuck it in back. And there you go. Now I'm going to get another set of 3 of something else. Okay, so this time I got these 3, which it's still just green, but it's nice to like have a lot of different textures. And that's what's crazy about these plants is they all have like, they're very distinctive. But you would look and see a massive green, but if you look closer, it's gonna be nice. Okay, so I'm not gonna film the rest of putting out stuff. I'll just show you the end result. But I did want to show you this crazy. If anybody can identify this for me, it came from some kind of evergreen. It does have like little cones on it. But yeah, it's just a really cool color. It's like whitish, so it looks like icicles. I don't know. Let me know. Okay, so I added a couple more things. It's like almost finished, but I have to add one finishing touch, which is holly berries. Okay, so I lied. There was one last thing that I forgot I had, which was this Dusty Miller, which I had dried from like 4 plants I grew this summer. So, and there's plenty of it, so it's exciting. But it adds a nice little pop. So yeah, that was how to make a wreath. And I'm all done now, so thank you for watching, and let me know what you think. I'll show the end result in a photo.